Hello there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, just as I promised, this is going to be the video about the 100,000 subscriber giveaway that I've prepared for you guys and girls. There is a link down in the description of this channel to my free Telegram channel. That's where I was asking you guys and girls, and also on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. And all across all my social media, I was asking you guys, what giveaway should I do for 100,000 subscribers? And it's a huge milestone, getting that silver button, which is incredible. So once again, I wanted to take this opportunity to also extend my insane gratitude for all your support, all your likes, all your comments. By the way, just like this video, share it with your friends and family. There's a share button below this video. If you feel like doing it, would be really cool, would help out the channel as well. And yeah, so thank you so much for all the likes, comments, shares, subscriptions, etc. It's absolutely incredible. So I was asking you guys and girls, what should I do? Should I just give away some cash? Should I give away like a trip to Dubai or something boring like that? Or should I give away, some cash, what everybody always wants? Or, like my famous trading education, which is quite costly, but it's like one of the best pieces of trading education in the world. And most people actually voted for my trading education, and most other people voted for cash. So I decided, once in a lifetime, you hit 100,000 subscribers. So let's do both. And I've prepared a super huge giveaway that you can participate in right now. So let me just tell you all about it. So I'm going to be selecting 8 winners altogether, 8 people, to increase the chances of you winning something. So, and there is going to be epic prizes. In total, like the total value will be like $10,000. This is huge, guys and girls. And really, I'm expecting each single one of you who is watching this video to participate. And the participation is very simple. So let's talk about the prizes. And the prizes are absolutely insane. So the prize number one, again, there's going to be some trading education in prizes as well as cash. And let's start talking about cash. And the biggest cash prize will be, I will be selecting randomly one of my traders who actually is trading on bybit and whom I can find in my affiliate system. So let me show you what it looks like. So this is basically what it looks like. I can see all of you guys, and the ones who actually used my link down in the description of this video or in the pinned comment to sign up with bybit and trade with bybit. And you also, when you use my link, you get you know this already, you get up to $4,100 in free bonuses on top of your initial deposit, and also for 30 days, 0% maker fee. So that's insane already. But I will be selecting one person from the list randomly, and I'm gonna triple your Bybit account. So go down below right now into the comments or in the pinned comment or in the description of this video, register with Bybit, make a deposit, and then if you're selected, then I'll just triple your account, whatever it is. And yes, this does apply to existing customers as well as the new Bybit customers as well. So if you've already been registered with Bybit, but you didn't use my link down in the pinned comment or in the description, you can still do it, open a new account, transfer the money into the new account, and you'll be able to participate in this giveaway. So it's for everyone, and I don't want to exclude anyone. So if you didn't use my link and open the account directly with Bybit, for example, you can still open a new account and claim that extra bonus of up to $4,100, by the way, on top of it again, and participate in this insane giveaway. So this is insane. It's your chance to triple your money. Now, the next cash prize will be the same way. I'm going to select a random person from the list of the people who used my link and signed up with Bybit. I'm going to double your account. And then the third person is going to also get a doubled account. So 3 people in total for the cash prize. And I'm going to be tripling the account of the first one I select. And then the subsequent 2, I'll be doubling your account. I'll send it to you in USDT, whatever, Bitcoin, whatever it is that you have in your account. But remember, you have to use my link to sign up with Bybit, deposit money into your account to be able to participate in this. Now, the next section of prizes, I'll be selecting 5 more people to give away my products and my famous trading education. So the first person who's going to be selected for the giveaway of my education, as you all know, here is my website, which is tomscarallo.com, and below there is my famous complete learning program, which is like 5 months long education. And here, well, there you can read all about it at tomscarallo.com. There is really, a bunch of stuff that is included. You'll learn everything from active trading, scalp trading, day trading, long-term investing, and portfolio building in the world of stocks, crypto, futures, so commodities and Forex. And you literally, this is the place where you learn all of it, from active trading to long-term investing and how to combine those strategies. You'll also learn proper risk and money management, which has made me millions in trading. Then also you'll learn about trading psychology, trading statistics, trading algorithms, macro analysis, fundamental analysis, on-chain analysis, and all of it, literally. So it's going to save you years of time. So, and you can go and read about the schedule and everything that's going to be happening in the complete program. And then below you also will find different packages. So the first one, and there is, the standard package, assisted and assisted plus. Basically, it's all the same content, but the only difference really is that assisted plus, you get the direct line of communication with me. So one-on-one sessions with Thomas Crollo, as it says here. So, and with, for example, in standard package, you just get the material, access to all the homework, diploma at the end. And by the way, my education is fully certified and accredited. So you'll also get a certified diploma as a technical analyst, basically. And for the first winner of the trading education, you will be getting the assisted package. So that's going to be the one with all the access 24/7, and you'll be getting a personal live assistant who's going to be attached to you, personal live assistant, and do individual homework checking, private real money trading support after graduation, which is huge. And the value of this package is $2,980. So that's absolutely huge, and you will get it absolutely for free. And I'm probably never gonna I've never given away my education, and I will probably never give it away again, most likely. So for that reason, you really have to participate in this. Now, the next person who is gonna be randomly selected, and of course, we're going to be randomly selecting people from the list of my affiliates and the list of people who are trading on Bybit who have used my link in the description or in the pinned comment and deposited and is trading on Bybit. So the next person is going to be the one who is getting the complete program. So all the same thing, just without the personal assistant. And it's going to be the value of $1,280. Now the next person is also going to be getting a complete program. So it's like 3 people in total are going to be getting a complete program. Just one of them is going to be the assisted package, and the other ones are going to be standard package. Now, the 4th person, when it comes to the giveaway of the product and stuff, is going to get a one-on-one session Zoom call with me for 30 minutes. This is like $1,000 value, because I charge like $2,000 an hour for private calls of people wanting to talk to me and ask me questions. So we'll be able to talk about anything you want for 30 minutes. And then last but not least, you will also, the last person number 8 basically, is gonna get a 1-year subscription for bestinvesting.tips. And as you all know, let me just pull it up. Bestinvesting.tips belongs to me, and it was designed by me with my team and with my partners. So bestinvesting.tips is an investment basically service where you can subscribe to different packages. That's what it looks like. Bestinvesting.tips, as you can see. And you get access to portfolios that are managed by professionals, including a crypto portfolio. And you can always follow and see what those crypto investors are doing, like bigger asset managers and people who are actually managing money for other people. So like macro analysis, different news also on stocks and crypto and a bunch of really cool stuff. And this is currently valued at about, if you go to bestinvesting.tips, then the yearly subscription is like $570. So I'm gonna give it away to one person for free. So this is it. This is 8 people that I'm selecting, a lot of prizes. So participate right now. And I'm gonna be selecting the winner on the 13th of June. So basically in like a week. So best of luck. Make some noise down in the comments. And also go check out my Instagram right now, because I posted some stuff from Monaco. It's an incredible time of my life, guys and girls, because it was the first time I'm going to be featured in Forbes, and I received an award from Forbes in Monaco. Insane time. So check out my lifestyle on Instagram. And as always, stay smart, stay rich. Peace and love. Thomas Crollo. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao.